Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, this morning's coffee talk is about survival. And if anything really terrible happens in the world and all grocery stores are closed down and you didn't save any seeds, you didn't buy any seeds, you have nothing to put in your garden, go look in your cupboards. This is popcorn. Isn't it beautiful popcorn? And these are white beans to make your beautiful brown beans. And this is a soup mix. And we have, I think those are peas, and those might be rattlesnake beans. Well, I tried something. And look at this. We have germination on those. The beans, I'm not sure if in a day or two they would sprout because they are starting to split. Now with the white bean, well, look at here. We have one. Not a very good germination, but hey, that's going to be one plant. And look at my popcorn. Sprout, 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 sprout. So 4 out of the 7 sprouted. So I can have popcorn. Popcorn's a food. If that's the only food you got, I'd be eating that for breakfast. The same as the bean. How many peas are you going to get off of that one plant? And of course you have a lot more plants if you planted the whole container. So just something to think about.